In this kit includes 36 markers, 24 wax crayons, 24 oil pastels, 24 colored pencils, 20 clips, 12 watercolors, 1 brush, 1 palette, 1 stapler, 1 scissors, 1 Sharpie pen, 1 glue, 1 ruler, 1 eraser, and 1 pencils. It's a complete set for children 6 and over. Now, let's take a look. There's as you can see, there's a wide variety of colors, including markers, crayons, oil pastels, color pencils, paint. It also comes with a ruler, pencils, eraser, glue, scissors, sharpener, stapler, and a sponge. And not to mention paper clips. It's perfect for children to show the artistic side, but at the same time too is very organized and fully functional. You could take this with you on the go. As you can see, I'm going to be closing it up. And make sure it's locked in securely. And it's like a briefcase. I could take it with me. It's great to have for children at home or in the classroom. As you can see here, I colored it up in my coloring book with color pencils and crayons, and it made the picture come to life in a whole new dimension. I highly recommend it to everyone, especially kids. Thank you for watching. Okay.